There are two ways to quickly be able to combine text cells or lists of text cells into one. The first is with the formula concatenate. It combines each individual text string selected. If I'm trying to combine column A with B for each row, I would type equals concatenate, select January, type in comma, and its equivalent in column B, campaign A. Click Enter. It will combine the two cells. If you want to combine the two with an underscore or any other value, enter a comma, quotation marks, your underscore, or any other value, like this. Click Enter. You can double-click in the bottom right corner of the cell with the formula to run this for each row. If you want to quickly combine the two columns into one cell, you can use the similar concat formula. Type equals concat, select column A values, type a comma, then column B values. Enter. You have all column A and all column B values joined into one. You can similarly to concatenate add separating values with arguments in between the cell lists.